Obviously, I feel like I've changed. I feel like I've learnt to run a successful business rather than have a job and an employee of the business. I actually run the business. And I think the reason it's so clear that that's happened is that staff members have actually said to me, you know, wow, what's happened in the last few months? Well, to be honest, it wasn't a 50-50 balance. You sort of got to the stage where you were taking your work home with you, having to run over into weekends. If you were on holiday, finding that, you know, you couldn't really relax because you had to be on call, covering emails, calls. And it was generally working in the business. So we were sort of taking on different hats. So, you know, one day you'd be sort of doing the shopping for the office, the next day you'd be cleaning the office, the next day you'd be out on sites. So we didn't really have a structure for any management. He was just, you know, said, I can show you. I can't do it for you, but I can show you and teach you how to get more from your business, a more balanced home life, work balance. And yeah, it all sounded really, you know, too good to be true, to be honest. First of all, it's mainly been looking at staff, you know, why are the directors doing things when we've got a bank of staff? So we've now built in, you know, everybody's got a proper job role. Myself and my business partner have taken it completely on board. So we've elevated to look into the business and actually work on the business rather than in the business. Oh, it's changed everything. Honestly, the motivation and, you know, the staff can see, we've shared with them, you know, the plans, the growth, the direction of the business. Everything's a lot more streamlined, and I think they feel more supported, because I think when somebody's flailing a little bit, everybody does it. Whereas when it's structured and smooth and they know who to turn to and we have systems in place, it's like, yeah, it's sort of like a self-help book, isn't it? Everybody knows what to do and how to do it, and it's a happier team. It's a buzz. We have a proper sales team going on, which we've never had. I used to do all the sales along with marketing, operations. So yeah, coming into work, it's great. It's a nice environment. So our gross profit, you know, everything's gone up. Our gross profit, we're on track to turn over. We've always done about 1.7, 1.8 million. We're looking to do at least 2.1 million by August this year, with a view to doing 3.1 million August next year. So we've never had that vision before. I would say within the next 3 to 6 months, I should quite comfortably be able to take a week off on holiday, knowing that the business is running without me. He's helped us through leaps and bounds with the COVID situation. Couldn't have asked for anything more, to have that at the end of a phone, to be able to ask a question at any given time. The coaching sessions are fantastic, and it goes in whatever direction you want it to go in. So whilst he's giving you the information, it's your direction. You tell him what you're expecting and what rewards you want and what lifestyle you want, and he just guides you through.